Hi, my name is Sophia.
Hi, my name is Deniz.
And we are Ancient Greens. So together we started Ancient Greens about a year ago in 2018, and our mission was to bring wheatgrass into everybody's life and make it a part of their routine in a very simplified and easy way to adapt.
And Ancient Greens wheatgrass Jubes are the juice cubes, our new way to drink your daily food supplement. It's 100% natural food supplement from ancient seeds, ancient wheat seeds.
So wheatgrass has a very extensive nutritional profile. It's very rich in vitamin A, C, and E. It has a lot of iron, magnesium, calcium, and also the essential amino acids that your body needs. So those are the building blocks of muscle. It's very high in chlorophyll, and this is one of the plants that has the most chlorophyll out of all the plants and all the vegetables that you can consume. It's 70% chlorophyll, and it has a lot of antioxidants as well. That's one of the reasons why officially now in Turkey, wheatgrass is a food supplement. It's a licensed food supplement. We've made wheatgrass Jubes a really easy way to consume daily.
The only thing that you need to do is removing the juice and just melt it in a regular drinking water and then drink it. The mostly what everyone recommends in an empty stomach, but you can do lots of different recipes with it.
Yeah, so it's super adaptable into your routine. So if you're someone who wakes up and wants to have a smoothie, maybe a chia pudding, you can just add the jute into the recipes that you usually do. You can also put it into pancakes, you can also put it into juices, into cold teas. We've had a lot of original recipes sort of pop up since we started this business. But it's ice creams too, so it's something that's really easy and adaptable into the routine, and that sort of defines what our mission was from the beginning, because we wanted to allow people to consume wheatgrass daily. And the best form obviously is, after you do sports, maybe on an empty stomach, or in the morning on an empty stomach, or even in the evenings if you have a craving for something a little bit sweet. Our wheatgrass, because of its natural seed, is quite sweet in itself, naturally, so you can consume that to get your little sugar buzz in the evening as well.
I don't know if it's a cheat meal, but I love potato and rice.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Mine's much right. I love pizza. That's my cheat meal for sure. Especially if I'm ever gonna break my diet. That's the one thing that I always go to.
Yeah, pizza works. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And our last point is stay rooted and sprout well.